Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best Prius headlight bulb is probably one of the most overlooked components of your car, until they burn out. But don't worry, in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Prius headlight bulbs. We'll explore the different types available, from standard halogen to brighter LEDs, and help you understand what to look for when choosing replacements. So, buckle up, and let's illuminate your path to the perfect headlight bulbs. Number 5. SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Tired of dim lights? This bulb enhances down-road visibility without causing glare. It's designed to improve your driving experience. Lights dim over time, so replace them in pairs. If one goes out, the other is likely to follow. This ensures the best performance. The XtraVision bulb features a robust design and gas mixture for superior performance. It's built to last and improve your driving situation. This bulb can be used for high beams, low beams, and fog lights. Make sure it fits your vehicle using the Amazon Parts Finder. Use the Amazon Part Finder to ensure the bulb fits your vehicle's lighting location. Pay close attention to the position and notes provided for an exact fit. What we like. This bulb offers enhanced down-road visibility, ensuring you see more of the road ahead. Its robust design guarantees durability and optimal performance. If you frequently drive in areas with poor lighting or need a reliable, long-lasting solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Use these in a 2013 Prius C. They work well, not quite the same color temperature as the OEMs though, they're a pretty cold white tone and give good visibility. Easy to install, bright, and a good value. Perfect fit, no issues, easy install for my 2014 Toyota Sienna SE. Number 4. Philips H11 Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulbs, 2-pack. These Philips Vision bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing these original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure because of their higher quality standards. At the end of their life, lamps project less light, which reduces visibility. When changing a headlight bulb, it's best to change in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. These bulbs provide significantly wider light to improve comfort and safety. This helps you see better and react faster while driving. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Always use gloves or a paper towel when handling it to avoid damage. When using the Amazon Part Finder, be sure to confirm the position and notes provided. For some vehicles, it may fit some positions, but not all. The position and notes ensure exact fit. What we like. This bulb provides a significantly wider light, improving both comfort and safety. It is also DOT compliant, meeting all necessary safety standards. If you are looking for a reliable, safe, and compliant upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked very well, fit and trim was perfect. These work great, and were quite simple to install. Fits perfectly, no faults after 1 month use. Number 3. Philips H11 CrystalVision Ultra Headlight Bulb, 2-pack. Want a bright white light? These Philips CrystalVision Ultra Headlight Bulbs give you the look of HID. They are also DOT compliant, ensuring safety on the road. The unique blue cap on the bulb creates a cool blue effect in the headlamp's reflector during the day. This gives it a stylish appearance. These bulbs have the original equipment quality seal. You can rely on them for the most reliable performance, ensuring they last. When using the Amazon Part Finder, confirm the position and notes. These bulbs may fit some positions, but not all. Ensure an exact fit. Upgrade your headlights with Philips CrystalVision Ultra. Get the bright white light and the look you desire. It's a simple upgrade for a better driving experience. What we like. This bulb gives you the bright white light look, enhancing the appearance of your car. The unique blue cap creates a cool blue effect. If you like the look of HID lights and want a stylish upgrade, then this is perfect for you. What people say. These bulbs are excellent. Much wider and brighter than stock, but not, in your face ridiculous, like a lot of the illegal LED bulbs people are using these days. While it's hard to say if there is more light coverage on the road, What is easy to say is that the brightness provided by the simple color temperature change is something to see. Number 2. Philips VisionPlus H11 Headlight Bulbs, Pack of 2. Are you a safety-conscious driver? These VisionPlus headlight bulbs offer high performance and excellent value. It's the right choice for today's demanding drivers. See farther with Philips VisionPlus. These bulbs produce up to 60% more vision, enhancing your safety and comfort on the road. This is based on low beam tests. These bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure. This is due to their higher quality standards. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the position and notes. Bulbs may fit some positions, but not all. Ensure an exact fit for your vehicle. Lamps project less light at the end of their life, reducing visibility. When changing a headlight bulb, it's best to change in pairs. This ensures a symmetric light beam. Also, never touch the glass when installing the new bulb. What we like. This bulb offers up to 60% more vision, significantly improving your safety on the road. It provides high performance and excellent value. If you are a safety-conscious driver looking for maximum visibility, you should choose this one. What people say. These ones look brighter and whiter than the original ones. Good quality of light or clarity and color. These bulbs are brighter than others I have used. Number 1. Philips 12362B1H11 Halogen Headlight Bulb. This Philips Vision bulb meets Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing this original equipment bulb reduces the chance of early failure because of its higher quality standards. When the bulb reaches the end of its life, it projects less light, reducing visibility. It's best to change them in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam on the road. This bulb provides significantly whiter light to improve comfort and safety while driving at night. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Always use gloves or a paper towel when handling it. When using the Amazon Part Finder, be sure to confirm the position and notes provided. For some vehicles, it may fit some positions, but not all. The position and notes ensure exact fit. What we like. This bulb provides a significantly whiter light, improving both comfort and safety. It is also DOT compliant, meeting all necessary safety standards. If you are looking for a reliable, safe, and compliant upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. Works and fits well. Best OEM bulb is have had to replace and still burning all day as my daytime running lights. Quick delivery, easy to install on my QX60. 2016, works perfectly. Lo que darán exactamente a mi auto Ford Focus 2013 Titanium son los mismos que trae de agencia excelente producto thumbs up thumbs up thumbs up thumbs up thumbs up dot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.